everyone. This is Dr.Ville Isoherranen. My presentation topic today is a School of Engineering and Natural Resources RDA programs in agriculture towards carbon neutrality. My name is Dr.Ville Isoherranen. I work as the Director for School of Engineering and Natural Resources at the Oulu University of Applied Sciences, Oulu, Finland. I have a background in both in academics and in the industry. I have worked in global corporations and small startups from technology and healthcare. My research interests are strategic management, service operation management, and knowledge-based management. You can find me from ResearchGate and from Twitter. Please note my last name as the Twitter account. I'm coming from Oulu, that is located in the middle of Finland in Northern Europe. Our capital is Helsinki, and Oulu is located in the middle of the country, close to the sea. According to the United Nations Annual World Report, Happiness Report, Finland is the happiest country in the world. Nature and clean air are conveniently near even in urban areas. Finland is known for its safety and peaceful living environment. Our school has a new campus in the Linnanmaa region, Linnanmaa area, and we call it Oulu campus. This is the joint campus of different schools of the Oulu University of Applied Sciences. It is shared with the University of Oulu and a lot of also other research organizations, such as the VTT Research Center, Finnish Food Authority, Natural Resources Institute, Finnish Environmental Institute, and it is close to the University Botanical Gardens. This is a unique place in Europe to conduct research and educational programs. This is the largest indoor campus in Europe in the Linnanmaa area. School of Engineering and Natural Resources, which I'm directing, constitutes of 7 engineering degree programs and 1 agriculture degree program. These are bachelor degrees. We have 9 master degree programs. Personnel is about 140, and students ranging from 2,500 to 3,000 students annually. Our research development and innovation project in agriculture towards a low carbon society. This is a framework that is built to illustrate the impact and wide scale of the RDA activities that we are carrying out in the School of Engineering and Natural Resources. It's all about low carbon themes in this presentation. Low carbon economy uses all resources efficiently. Low carbon society, the fossil fuels consumption is minimized. A low carbon society is a society where people collaborate to reduce the amount of carbon dioxide greenhouse gases emissions. And if you look for the low carbon themes, what is below that conceptual header is, for example, fuel systems, smart traffic, energy efficiency, renewable energy, and digitalization as a big theme. Then we see also the climate change as an opportunity for building new business based on new technology, such as the clean tech. So looking at the low carbon themes and towards carbon neutrality, we have to address various topics, and we are proud that we are able to contribute in the research development and innovation activities in the School of Engineering and Natural Resources. The research, innovation, and RDA projects in agriculture. We work in research programs, and most of the activities are happening in our research projects. I have here listed a few examples, and then in following slides I will go to more deeper within the examples of the activities that we are carrying out to work towards a carbon neutrality society. First of all, field cultivation, especially peatland-based farming development and cultivation technologies development. This is important in northern Finland and in Finland totally, driving towards a carbon neutral cultivation. Then another aspect of the food chain is the food loss prevention and improvement using the ICT technologies. This is based on the food traceability and improvements. Then we are looking more closely and widely the biogas production and usage development in farms, and for example advancements of biomethane usage. This is a very important topic in the current global situation. We have to be more and more energy independent and also using the green energies available locally. This is also related to the usage of renewable wood in heating instead of peat. Bio and process engineering education. We are looking to develop new circular economy and agriculture combining and energy combining in degree programs. That is will be hosted in the School of Engineering and Natural Resources. Then we are also looking at the ICT application development for bioeconomy value chains to help the farmers to make right choices for cultivation. We are looking for production side flows towards higher education, higher value products. Regional coordination, development actions toward low carbon economy. So we are also coordinating various other institutes' efforts, like you see in the campus. We have a lot of sector research agencies that we are also collaborating. Collaboration is a key theme, like highlighted in the previous slides, in the transformation towards a low carbon, only carbon neutral society. Next, I will give a few examples in details about the research programs that we have been carrying out. One of the topics has been the biochar production from biomass. Construction wood waste, garden waste and wastewater sludge. What is a biochar? Highly stable carbon that can endure in soil of thousands of years. 1 ton of biochar removes 2.5 tons of carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. It is produced from biomass through pyrolysis and heated 300 to 800 degrees in absence of oxygen. Secondary products from pyrolysis, synthetic gas and bio-oil. These are energy sources. So biochar is one of the topics we are looking in deeply. About the pyrolysis process, it's a slow process that makes in a no oxygen environment and produces the biochar. And these are the sources that can be produced biochar. So construction wood waste, garden waste, and wastewater sludge. For example, the construction waste, there's at least 200,000 tons per year in Finland. In Oulu region alone, 13,700 per year. So this is an interesting source for a biochar. And then others are garden waste that are produced in gardens, and then water sludge that you can see that in Oulu region 36,000 tons per year is available for this biochar. Then the big topic also, like I mentioned previously, is the biogas. Biogas is a gas that is produced locally, and also, of course, we want to be consumed locally by the farmers, taxis, and individual people driving the cars. 1/5 of the Finland's emissions are caused by traffic, and which the road traffic causes about 94%. And we have a goal from the government to reduce the emissions. The biogas is one way to reduce the emissions. The positive factors are the domestic and locally produced, low emissions, and supporting the circular economy. Price of the car is similar as its petrol running car, and it's cheaper than an electric car. And there's also available technical conversion from the gas to gas operated cars. challenges are the availability and of course the models and makes of the cars that are available in the market. And one of the key drivers, of course, the people's awareness of the possibility to use biogas, and that why reduce the emissions. One very specific topic from northern Finland is the peat production of forest energy. And the challenge is that how to transition from peat production to forest energy production. And the case is that we are also trying to reduce the peat usage and go towards the biomasses usage in more general, also in energy production, in heat seeding, and so on and so forth. Currently, there are a lot of challenges related to the global situation related to oil prices and the coal production, and also the energy situation in Europe in totally, where we are producing for the coming winter most likely some electrical shortages. But this is an ongoing research investigation that how do we take a more wider approach in the biomasses usage. I would like to thank you for an opportunity to give this short presentation about the School of Engineering and Natural Resources RDA programs towards the carbon neutral society. Hopefully you enjoyed the presentation. Thank you.